Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So I'm going to be doing a little comparison today. So I have two beauty subscription boxes here. Number one, Boxycharm for May, and you guys know I just started getting Boxycharm. They send them to me in the mail. Last month was my first time trying Boxycharm and I was so impressed. And then we have here, we have another box. We have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus inside here. So I thought it would be so fun since I got both these at the same time to do a comparison between the two and just kind of show you what comes in both boxes. So maybe if you're deciding between the two, or if you just really want to see how they compare next to each other, how the products compare. Since I have both, why not? So I'm very excited about this. I hope you guys are too. And if you want to find out what comes in the Boxycharm and also in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then please just keep on watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then it's going to be the first link down below. I hope you guys will come back and keep on watching. And don't forget to hit the notification bell because that is super important. You have to not only subscribe, you also have to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on videos. And I think that's it. So let's get on into this comparison. This t-shirt is my favorite thing in the world. I wear it like, I feel like every single day. It's from Target and it's like $7-8. It's the softest ever and it's just like, oh my gosh, I love it. And I can't wait to get more of these. I think they have more colors. I'm always wearing it and I love it. Anyways, I think I want to do, should we do the Boxycharm first? I can't decide. Let's do Boxycharm first. Let's dive into this. Mine looks like it's opening already, actually. Yep. It was kind of already opening, so I'll talk about the Ipsy in a second. I'm so excited. This is fun. I know you guys really enjoyed this last time I filmed. And you also told me to tell you what variety this box is, which I'm going to try and look for. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is a Milk makeup product. I have nothing from Milk. I have been dying to try their products for years now, like literally ever since the brand came out, and I always look at the display at Sephora, but to finally get to try it, is the whole box worth it in itself? Like, this is an expensive product. Okay, so this is, I'm trying to open it. Here, I'm trying not to ruin my manicure because I just did it. Ooh, the Luminous Blur Stick. Silicone-free shimmering solid primer, absorbs oil, minimizes pores, and leaves a luminous matte finish. Luminous matte finish. That sounds so interesting. Wow. Oh my gosh. Boxycharm. What on earth? They really do an amazing job. Like, I must say, it is very impressive how they get all these products for the price point. So, like, if you guys don't know, I did talk about it in my last video, but you get all these full-size products for $21 a month, which is kind of insane. Like, this product in itself, let me look up the price. $36 on Sephora's website. That is crazy, and it looks like it has over 1K 4.5-star reviews, so apparently people like it. And by the way, I did not look in these boxes. I don't know what's inside. I didn't see any spoilers, and I did not read the postcard. Just putting that out there. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This is cool. Oh my gosh, here, I'll do a close-up so you guys can see it a little bit better. My very first Milk product. So cool. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it on my arm just because I want to get an idea of like what it looks like. Oh yeah, you can see like it's kind of like a nude. So I guess it's not like a primer. I guess it's just supposed to blur your pores. It has a very soft feel to it, so it's kind of crazy that there's no silicones in it because usually that silky feeling comes from the silicones, but wow, my hand feels really soft. Okay, this makes me very excited to put this on and try it out. I'm definitely gonna try this out tomorrow when I do my makeup. I really should do like a try on video, but I try and film a lot of videos in one day. Okay, so let's move on to the next item in here. Okay, this is Luna by Luna. What is this? It's the shade is Venus. This is probably more like an indie brand. Ooh, this is pretty. Luna by Luna lip gloss. It's like a nude with gold shimmer in it. Does it smell? Does it smell? It's a little disappointing when you put it on because I thought it was gonna give me a little bit more glitter, but it honestly just kind of looks like a clear gloss to me. So I don't know, I'll have to try this out again, but my first impression of it is that it's just nothing too special. So that is Luna by Luna. I like the name and the packaging. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. And this packaging is crazy. Look at that. It's like a tie-dye metallic. This is cool. This is very cool. It says blended with oat amino acids, condition deep cleanse, face makeup removal. Huh. Apply to wet face, massage evenly in circular motions. Foaming cleanser inspired by the rainbow aura of bubbles. Okay, let's open it. Oh my gosh, Glam Glow. This is a good box so far, you guys. We're opening up some good stuff. Okay, the packaging is goals. Look at it. So cute. It's like that same metallic. It does kind of like look like when you have the rainbow inside the bubbles. I like that. And let's see, I'll just put a little on my hand, I guess, even though it's a cleanser. Doesn't smell like anything, which is good. All right, this is cool. Ooh, ooh, I see the bubbles coming out. They look just like the packaging. Definitely excited to try this out. I want to see how much this retails for. $28. So far we have a product that's $36, $28. Wow, this is crazy. I'm very impressed so far by this box. Okay, let's see what else is next. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is cool. It's a Ciate Eye Luster Cream Shadow. It says color shifting pigments. I love the outer box. It's so pretty. It has like all these little rainbow metallic stars on it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. Oh my, you guys have to see this up close because it is this beautiful white shimmer. This is like so me. Like this is right up my alley. I'm gonna do a swatch of it. I wouldn't say it's like exactly like a Stila. The shimmer seems a little bit smaller, but maybe comparable. That is pretty. I cannot wait to wear this on my eyeballs and try it out. Okay, there's a swatch. It's super pretty. I feel like this is gonna look really nice also on the inner corner. Like it's actually kind of similar to what I have on today. I have on Stila Perlina on the inner corner. I love doing that, putting like a white cream shadow like this. I know I'm definitely gonna be using this. I just blended it out a little bit so I could show you guys. This is stunning. I love this box. I really do. I think I like this better than last month so far. Is this? It is a funky rainbow eyelash curler, and it actually matches perfectly to the Glam Glow packaging. That's pretty cool. Wow, I have not used a new eyelash curler in so long because I'm so used to using my Tweezerman Pro Curl. But this one seems pretty similar, and I'm definitely excited to test this out. I didn't even know that Pure made an eyelash curler, but I love the rainbow color. Love it. And I feel like people don't talk about eyelash curlers enough in the beauty space, so this is really cute. So this month is called Make Waves. Let's add this all up in my calculator so we can see what the total value is for this month. So everything that I just opened is $122. For Boxycharm, you paid $21. So you're getting $122 worth of products for only 21 bucks. And everything in here was really, really good. So I am giving the May Boxycharm a total thumbs up. I think it is awesome. Now move on to the Ipsy Glam Bag and see what's in store for that, because that's gonna be my first time trying it out. So let's check it out. The whole thing with the Ipsy Glam Bag is that it's now available to everyone. You do not need like an exclusive subscription or anything like that. Anyone can get this, which is really cool. I'm gonna link a link to the Ipsy Glam Bag if you guys are interested in it and you want to sign up or just check it out. I also have a link for Boxycharm. It is an affiliate link if you guys want to sign up and check that out. You can definitely do that. I will put both of those down below. But Ipsy is celebrating the fact that everyone can get the Glam Bag Plus now. We've got lots of goodies. Okay, so I'm not gonna look at the card because I don't want to spoil it, But the first thing is this Paris Hilton Pro DNA Dual Action Cleansing Gel. And I actually received this, I think it was last year, and it is a really good cleanser. If you guys don't know, Paris Hilton does have a whole skincare line. So I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway because I already own it. But this is what it looks like. It has this really pretty black and like rose gold detail. It's a 2-in-1 First Start cleanser. So I have used this before and I like it. And next we have this brand I've never heard of before. It's called Feel, and it says Balanced Moisture Balancing Cream. It says moisturizes deeply for 24 hours. Is this like a hand cream or a body? It is, I think it's supposed to be natural. It has cucumber extract to soothe the skin, elder tree for fresh glowing skin. I'm gonna take the little seal off so we can try this guy. This is like a body cream. It has like a, I don't know what that scent is. I guess it's kind of fresh, but I don't know. The smell's a little strange, but Feel is the brand. I don't know where you can get this. Maybe it'll say on the card. It seems like there's a lot of like body skincare in here. This next product is the Gold Faden MD Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. This has soy peptide, rice bran extract, and arnica. Take a look-see. Okay, it comes in this little like pump type of deal, and it says Dr. Goldfaden's ultralight brightening eye cream reduces the appearance of under eye darkness, puffiness, and fine lines, brightens the under eye area, and minimizes, helps with fatigue. Natural, paraben free, no animal testing, mineral oil free, alcohol free, helps with tired eyes. So I will definitely try that out. Always looking for a good eye cream, especially one that does not burn my under eyes, which is always an issue I have. Either they burn me or they give me the little, like those little dots around my eyes. So next product, it's these two, what is this? This is cute. This is my first time trying this brand. It's a Girl Actic, and it's their 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balm. And it says apply underneath a lip gloss or as a topper over your liquid lipstick, or you can wear it by itself. And then this shade is Twinkle. So we have Periwinkle and Twinkle. Very excited to try these, and I will also do a swatch. I thought it was like an eye pencil, and I was like, I don't really like those, but this is interesting. How can I swatch these and show you guys in like a good way? Definitely like on the sheer side, but I guess that's just what it's supposed to be. It's just kind of like a clear deal. This reminds me of like something from childhood. I don't know, like when you're a kid and you like get those little play kind of makeup things, or like, I don't know, Bonnabelle, kind of, that's what it kind of reminds me of. Like, I hope you can see, my camera doesn't pick up things the best, but this one is Periwinkle and this one's Twinkle. And then let's see, looks like we have a palette. This is by Laura Makeup, and it says Moods, Laura Sanchez. It has really funky packaging. And it says, a palette that defines who I am, sweet, feminine, strong, and determined. I named the tones of this palette using emojis, which is our form of global expression. And it says, Laura Makeup 25, that's her name on YouTube. I've never heard of her before, but I will definitely check her out. It's a big palette, look at that. Okay, so that's what the front looks like. Ooh. You get some really fun colors in here. I like the whole scheme. Like you have some neutral mattes, then you have fun colors, like jewel tones on the bottom, and then it looks like you get two highlighters, like a white icy one and more of like a rosy tone one. This is super cool. So let me do some swatches. Some quick swatches of the top row on my arm. They feel pretty nice. The pink is a little bit but let's see what these jewel tones are doing. I think I like the jewel tones better than the mattes. These swatched really pretty, and that purple is stunning. You guys know, well, if you watch my channel, you know I love purples. That's like my favorite colorful eyeshadow. So I'm gonna do this icy white one. Oh wow, it's actually like a pink duochrome, which is pretty cool. So it doesn't really look like I'm wearing a highlight. I mean, it does look like I'm wearing a highlight, but it looks more like I'm wearing like a pink kind of duochrome deal, which is pretty. It's definitely not something that I would use like on a daily basis, but it's really fun. Like something, if you want to do something a little bit different, maybe like a festival type of thing. It would probably be better for like a medium toned skin, and I could also probably wear this as an eyeshadow, but it feels really creamy. Like they both feel very creamy. Swatches everywhere, but they have a nice like feel to them, especially this one. This one's like super soft. It says, as of April 2019, we are available to the public. You do not need to be an existing Ipsy member to sign up. It says Glam Bag Plus will now include more palettes people love, as well as skincare products. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a little bit more than Boxycharm. It is $25 a month, and it says every delivery is worth $120 plus. Okay, so as far as everything that goes in the value of the Ipsy Glam Bag, the 2 lip pencils were $17, the palette's $35, the Paris Hilton cleanser is $29, the body moisturizer is $28, Bright Eyes Golden Fatten eye cream is $52. So a total value of $178 retail. That's everything that's in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And as far as which one I liked better, I have to say I'm gonna give it to Boxycharm as my favorite this month. I think that they did a really good job like getting brands in there that are super exciting, like Glam Glow, Ciate, Milk was like a total score. Like I am very impressed by Boxycharm this month. I do enjoy the Glam Bag. It's just if I'm picking between the two, I'm gonna have to give it to Boxycharm. I think they both are really good. The Boxycharm is a little bit cheaper, so that's also a plus. Not to say that the Glam Bag isn't good. I do think it is really good and a great value because you are getting a lot of products in here. Like that palette was really nice as well. You get the really good skincare product. I am so excited about these Girlactic lip balms. If it wasn't for Ipsy, I wouldn't have gotten a chance to try these out. But I'm also like so excited to try my very first Milk makeup product, which we got in Boxycharm. So excited about this eye luster from Ciate. So, it's so hard. So it says my box is 17. I hope that helps you guys. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoy Boxycharm videos and these like Ipsy Glam Bag videos, please give this video a big thumbs up. Below, which box you liked better? Did you like the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is a little bit more skincare focused, or did you like the May Boxycharm better, which had more like makeup in it? Let me know in the comments. Love hearing from you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.